What are the top 3 amazing animals with superpowers? Let's find out. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible superpowers of these animals. First up, the mantis shrimp. Its punch can accelerate as fast as a .22 caliber bullet, capable of breaking glass and stunning prey. Next, the mimic octopus. This master of disguise can imitate the appearance and movements of over 15 different marine species. And finally, the axolotl. This remarkable creature can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cord, heart, and other organs. Truly astonishing.